Hello, all of you. How are you? This is Vardhan Solanki here, the extension creator for you. Recently, I made a history cleaner pro for Google Chrome history deleter cleaner. It will really very good experience for all of you. So I decided to make a new extension for all of you with the name HVS Mass UnSub. This extension help you to unsubscribe the already done subscriptions from YouTube. This will help you to reduce the feed and choose the freedom of seeing the videos. This extension help you to reduce all of these subscriptions, unusual subscriptions from your Google account, or you can say YouTube account. So before going into deep, I want to introduce you something. Here are the Chrome web page tab, and I open the YouTube in it. So in the subscriptions tab here, I can see there are too many videos from my subscriptions. In all of these, I cannot visit all the YouTube videos, so I decided to and want to delete some of their subscriptions or unsubscribe their subscriptions. So here are these subscriptions. There are too many subscriptions. You can see the loading also taken too much time because there are too much of subscriptions here, and YouTube also poke me to unsubscribe some to add new subscriptions. Means YouTube's limit also got exceeded. So I decided to make this extension very powerful extension for all of us. This extension have a button called start mass unsubscribe. So we install it from Chrome Web Store, and here we can see the button. We click on this button, and the button will load a table of all of your subscribers, all of your subscriptions you done. So can I can also prove you that these are my subscriptions. You can see the viral fever is subscription of mine. Also the tech master shorts, I will show you. You can see it, the YouTuber tech master shorts also in my subscriptions here. I want to remove all of them, and if I needed to remove some of them, I can click by this of my choice. You can simply click these. In the future, I will also add this search bar to search the subscriptions you want to remove, but in the in this version I applied all select all feature and choose the subscriber to delete. You can load all subscriptions, refresh the list if there are some subscriptions manually removed. So go ahead, and the subscriptions are removing easily and very fast. You can see they are removing in 10 to 15 minutes without having human interference. The subscriptions removed easily. We already have subscribed here, and after the refresh we can see the subscriptions got removed. Also in this, I refresh the screen and see the subscriptions got removed. You can also see the subscriptions of mine are removing very quickly. So this is the extension. You can remove the subscriptions from your side, and you can see how many subscriptions it removed until I am talking. Means there are 50 to 60 subscriptions it removed already in making of this video. Means you can see the how fast this extension is. If you want to connect with me, you can connect me on LinkedIn profile. This is my LinkedIn profile, you can visit it. You can see this profile is mine, and I already created some extension like Indian passport status fetcher by Python, history cleaner pro already show to you. So this is my profile. If you contribute to my creation, you can buy me a coffee. You can also be a member of my contributions. You can also hit the join button to get contribution of mine in early phases. So thanks for watching this video. It will help me a lot if you give me a review for this extension. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.